Good morning everyone. My name is Srishti Sanjay Dambre. Today I am going to tell you a story about me. Parivar Parichay. My family is very special to me. My family is small and happy family. I love my family very much. There are four members in my family. They are my father, my mother, my little brother and me. My father's name is Sanju Javre. He is teacher in school. He goes school every day. He works very hard for our family. My mother name is Saya Jamre. She is housewife. She cooks every food for me. She takes care of all of us. My mother helps me get ready for school. My mother helps me with study and homework. My mother and father is my best friend. My mother tells me nice story. My little brother loves to play with me. We celebrate birthday with the cake and gift. We teach good manners. We pray together every day. We share our feelings. My family give love and care. My family is my best team. My family is my world. I am proud of my family. Thank you.